This was the day that President Obama's health care law took effect, most of it anyway. A Supreme Court justice temporarily blocked a controversial part of the law as it applies to some religious organizations. Chip Reed explains.
The one-page order issued late last night by Justice Sonia Sotomayor temporarily exempts some church-affiliated organizations from a requirement in the health care law that they provide health insurance that includes birth control.
Good morning, sisters.
Morning. Morning, sir.
Those organizations include the Little Sisters of the Poor, an order of Roman Catholic nuns who provide nursing care for the elderly. In their petition to the Supreme Court, they said they could face millions of dollars in fines because they cannot comply with the law's requirement to provide access to contraceptives, which are forbidden by their religion. The Obama administration included a compromise in the law that allows religious groups to sign a certification opting out of the contraceptive requirement, leaving responsibility for providing that coverage to insurance companies. But that's not good enough, according to Daniel Blomberg of the Becket Fund for Religious Liberty, which represents the nuns in the lawsuit.
And the Little Sisters say, we can't do that. Our religious beliefs prevent us not only from participating directly, but also participating by forcing someone else to do it.
The case could affect hundreds of nonprofit Catholic organizations and ministries across the country. Marcia Greenberger is with the National Women's Law Center.
98% of Catholic women at some point in their lives will use contraceptives. The issue is, whose religious freedom are we talking about? An employer's religious freedom or an individual woman's own religious judgments about what she should be able to do herself?
Chip Reed is with the president tonight in Honolulu. And Chip, this is by no means the only challenge to the contraceptive requirement of the health care law, right?
That's absolutely correct, Maurice. Numerous religious organizations have filed federal lawsuits against the contraceptive requirement, and even some private companies have filed lawsuits saying that it violates their religious rights. All of this, Maurice, is expected eventually to be decided by the U.S. Supreme Court.
Chip Reed, thank you very much tonight.